Hello everyone. Meme coin projects thrive on creativity, humor, and engagement. To meet these demands, choosing the right AI art generator is crucial. We've reviewed 5 of the best tools: Grok, dall-e, Midjourney, Super Meme, and Meme Generator to help you decide which one suits your needs. So the first one is Grok, the all-in-one meme coin creator. So it is integrated with X, or formerly Twitter, and Grok is perfect for meme coin creators like looking for a tool that can do it all. Name generation, tokenomics, narrative building, and of course, meme creation. The next one is dall-e for high quality visuals. So dall-e by OpenAI creates high resolution artwork perfect for mascots and branding. This tool is particularly useful when paired with ChatGPT for complete project design. Now next is the Midjourney, the creative powerhouse. So Midjourney's strength lies in creating stunning, custom designed images with artistic flair, making it ideal for meme coin branding. Though the next one is Super Meme, a versatile meme maker. Super Meme is ideal for generating text to meme visuals and GIFs, making it great for engaging meme coin communities. And the last but not the least, is the meme generator, the budget friendly option. So, it is a straightforward tool for creating quick and engaging memes. Meme generator is excellent for those just starting out. And that is the top 5 best meme coin AI art generators. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.